and a blue backpack. Police are looking for Lila Morris, black female, 61 years old, date of birth June 20th, 1958, height 5 feet 6 inches, weight 162 pounds, brown hair, brown eyes and one leg, in connection with Kia Miller's abduction. The suspect is driving a gray 2012 Nissan Altima with an Oklahoma license plate unknown number. The suspect may also be driving a maroon 4-door passenger car with unknown plates. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Montgomery Police Department. News media point of contact is Montgomery Police Department at 936-760-5800.